Hi everyone. Hi Rajlakshmi. Hi Himanshi. How are you both? Hi Tushika. I am all good. My day was also good. What about you? Hi Manthan. Hi Shravya. Hi Jishnu. I am all good, Shravya. What about you? Your was excellent. Great. Hi Janvi. So hi everyone, welcome back to Vedantu Commerce, guys. This is your accounts master teacher MLA Sheetal Chaudhary. M for multi-talented, L for lion-hearted, and A for ambitious. Hello Akash, hi Pratap. I am all good, Raj Lakshmi. Hope you are also doing well. एकदम मस्त and बढ़िया आकाश. आप बताओ आप कैसे हो? So again, I welcome you all to our channel, Vedantu Commerce. And in case you guys are new to our channel, or if you're watching me for the first time, then please take a minute, take a moment to subscribe our channel so that you can watch more such classes with me, with us. Hi, lovely. आज क्या हुआ? What happened with you? I am all good, lovely. Hope you are also doing well. So guys, if you want to get the access of all our upcoming notes, of all our upcoming notifications, then to have all the updates about our channel, you have to join us on our Telegram group as well. So do join us on our Telegram group, Vedantu Commerce, for all the updates and notifications. Also, the link is given in the description box below, so you can check out the description box for the link of Telegram group. Hi Neelam. Hi Prajwal. So, as you all know, this is class 11th accountancy session. This is Udaan batch, and we are going to continue this very important chapter, financial statements of sole proprietor. Now, in this chapter, we have already covered trading account and profit and loss account. And in this class, we will be talking about balance sheet. We will be learning all about balance sheet. Now, before starting this session, I would first like to discuss the homework with you all. You remember that in the previous class, I have given you a homework, and that was a very good question. Now, most of the students were commenting that, ma'am, इसमें तो adjustments हैं, लेकिन हमें adjustments नहीं आती. So I asked you to try it, but now I will be explaining that entire question along with adjustments. कार एक्सीडेंट अचानक से स्टार्ट हो गया, बहुत मुश्किल से कंट्रोल किया. प्लीज बी सेफ. मैंने ही किया था भाई, आराम से चलाया करो. प्लीज टेक केयर व्हाइल ड्राइविंग बिकॉज नजर हटी एंड दुर्घटना घटी. So, here we have the question that I gave you in the previous class. We have already prepared trading account in the last class for the same question. And when we prepared the trading account, we calculated the gross profit that was 1090 rupees. So first we will prepare trading account to find out gross profit. Gross profit will be 1090 rupees. Now after the trading account, we have to make profit and loss account. Janvi, video is all clear, beta. You have to check the quality of video in your device. I hope that it will work after changing the quality of the video. So now we will prepare profit and loss account using this information that is given in the question. So let's start preparing it, and we'll prepare it on a different slide. Profit and loss account. This is particulars. This is amount, again particulars and amount. So we have got so many comments, we have got so many answers. After solving this, I will be coming on to your comments, whatever you have solved, whatever you have answered. Okay, Rajiv is saying, Rajiva Ranjani, you got loss of 900. Okay, let's see whether you are correct or not. So, first item is capital. Capital is not recorded in profit and loss account. Drawings are not recorded in profit and loss account because capital is a liability. It will be recorded in balance sheet. Drawings are again recorded in the balance sheet. Plant and machinery assets are again recorded in the balance sheet. Then delivery vehicle, they will be not recorded. Asset, debtors asset will not be recorded. Creditors liability will not be recorded because assets and liabilities, they are recorded in the balance sheet. All the assets, all the liabilities, they are neither recorded in trading account nor in P&L account. They will be recorded only and only in the balance sheet. Then we have purchases. Purchases is a direct expense and direct expenses are recorded in trading account. तो P&L account में तो नहीं आएगा. Then we have wages. Wages is again a direct expense. Direct expenses, they are recorded in P&L account, so they are recorded in trading account. So direct expenses, wages will be recorded in trading account, not in the P&L account. Then we have, it was wages now? Oh, it was sales. Okay, sales is a direct income. Direct income is recorded in the trading account also. So sales will be recorded in the trading account. Wages also in the trading account. So on this side, in these 9 to 10 items, there is nothing that should be recorded in the profit and loss account. इन सारे आइटम्स में से कुछ भी अभी तक रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ. Now coming on to the another item, cash at bank asset will be recorded in balance sheet. Salary is indirect expense, so it will be recorded in P&L account. Salary will be recorded in P&L account. It is indirect. Repairs, indirect, it will be recorded in P&L account. Then we have stock. Stock is your asset and assets are recorded in the balance sheet. So stock will not be recorded. Rent is a direct expense, so rent will be recorded in the P&L account. Salary, repairs, rent, depreciation, bad debt, they all are indirect expenses, so they are recorded in P&L. Manufacturing expenses, it is direct. It is direct, so will be recorded in trading account. Bills payable is a liability, so record in balance sheet. Then bad debt. Bad debt is again indirect expense. It is not related to your goods. So bad debt indirect, record in P&L. So yes, we will record it today. And carriage, unless nothing is mentioned, carriage is a direct expense. So carriage is a direct expense recorded in trading account. If it is carriage inwards is also direct expense recorded in trading account. But if it is carriage outwards, then it is indirect, and indirect expenses are recorded in P&L account. So carriage, trading account, carriage inwards, trading account, but carriage outward will be recorded in P&L account. So right now it is only carriage, so we will not record it as it is direct expense. So there are only 4 items which will be recorded in P&L out of the following information. हमें सिर्फ 4 आइटम दिख रहे हैं अभी तक जो P&L अकाउंट में रिकॉर्ड होंगे. First, salary, then repairs, then rent, and then bed debt. So let's make P&L account. Salary, repairs, rent, and bed debt, they all are expenses. Record on the debit side. First of all, before writing anything, you have to transfer gross profit. Before writing any expense, any income, we will first carry down gross profit, which was 1090. Then you will record salary, rent, bed debt, and there was repairs. So these were the 4 expenses. Salaries were 800. Rent was how much? Rent I would write down at the end. Rent हम बाद में लिखेंगे, सबसे बाद में. क्यों? I will tell you. So salaries 800, repairs 190, bed debt 500, and rent is 450, I guess. Yes. So these are your expenses. Salary 800, repairs 190, rent 450, bed debt 500. Now, is it over? No, it was just a trailer, guys. We have recorded all the expenses on the debit side. We have recorded gross profit on the credit side. अगर कोई indirect income होती तो हम उसको भी credit side record कर लेते. तो ट्रेलर खत्म हो गया, अब बारी है मूवी की actual picture की. Now, what's the picture? So below these items, we can see some actual heroes. Those are the adjustments. So now it is very important that what will be the effect of these adjustments, how it will be recorded. So before that, I would read your comments, and the first comment is, syllabus कब complete होगा? Syllabus will be completed by the end of March. आप next year class नहीं लोगे? No, I am not there. In next year, my last working day is 31st of March. Hi Sukesh. Carriage inwards, yes. Carriage inwards means carriage on purchases. Carriage outwards means carriage on sales. Yes, Ranjani. Hello, Vinod. Hi, Raj. Hi, Balkaran. Hi, Shipra. Hi, everyone. Okay. Now, I will be getting this up here. So, now I am going to explain you the adjustments, because without adjustment we can't prepare P&L account. So please pay attention, because adjustments are very, very, very important. First we have depreciation. Depreciate plant and machinery at 10% and delivery vehicle at 15%. Now, when we talk about depreciation, what is the meaning of depreciation? It means fall in the value of fixed assets. Fixed assets like plant and machinery, like vehicles, like machinery, furniture. These fixed assets are decreasing. Their value is decreasing year after year, day by day, and that decrease in value is known as depreciation. Now, as the value decreases, आपकी value कम हो रही है, तो आपको एसेट में से भी क्या करना पड़ेगा, माइनस करना पड़ेगा. As in real life value is decreasing, so you will show that in books also ना. आपको वो दिखाना पड़ेगा बुक्स में कि देखो हमारे आज एसेट की वैल्यू 5,000 से कम हो गई है. पहले जो हमारा एसेट था वो 1 लाख का था. ओके, तो सपोज योर एसेट इज ऑफ प्लांट एंड मशीनरी इज ऑफ 12,000. So in the balance sheet, the asset is of 12,000. From the value of asset, we will subtract depreciation, that is 10%. So 12,000 multiplied by 10%, it is how much? 120. So you will subtract 120 and now you will record 11,880. So this is the first effect, and always remember that adjustments will always have two effects. Every adjustment will have minimum of 2 effects. So we have done the first effect. In the balance sheet, it will be subtracted. Depreciation will be subtracted from the respective assets. But are we making balance sheet today? Yes, but not right now. We will be discussing balance sheet also. But right now we are talking about P&L. So, as the value is decreasing, as the value of your asset is decreasing, it is an expense for the business. It is an expense for the business, which is indirect expense. It is related to your assets, not the goods. So it is indirect expense, and hence it is recorded on the debit side of profit and loss account. It is recorded on the debit side of profit and loss account. Oh, sorry. Yes, it will be 10% will be 1,200. So, these are the two effects of depreciation. First, record in the debit side of P&L. Second, subtract from the respective assets. So, as we are making P&L, we will record depreciation on the debit side. We will record depreciation on the debit side. 10% on plant and machinery. 10% of 12,000 will be 1,200. And 15% of delivery vehicle, it will be 260 plus 130, 390, I guess. Let me cross check that. 2,600 multiplied by 15%. Yes, it is 390. So this is depreciation recorded on the debit side of P&L. To depreciation, plant and machinery 1,200 and delivery vehicle 390. So total depreciation is 1,590 rupees. 1,590 rupees. So this was one of the adjustment. I hope it is clear to everyone. Is this adjustment clear, guys? Yes or no? We will be doing this again when we will discuss all the adjustments. But right now it was important to explain this because of the question. Come on, please tell me, is it clear? Clear? Casey? Clear? Lovely? Arshit Beta, life insurance premium and fire insurance premium, it is not there in class 11th accountancy syllabus. So we can't discuss it in our class. So now coming on to the next and the last adjustment, that is unpaid rent amounted to 50 rupees. Now what is this unpaid rent? So unpaid rent is outstanding rent. Outstanding rent, or you can say outstanding expense. Now, what do we mean by outstanding rent? It means rent which is due but not paid. It means you have taken the services but the rent is still not paid. It is payable in future. So as it is payable in future, this outstanding expense, this unpaid rent is your liability. So you will record it in the balance sheet on the liability side. It will be recorded in the balance sheet on the liability side. Then it belongs to current year. It is the rent of current year which is still not paid. So it belongs to current year and therefore it will be added to rent. As it belongs to current year, it should be included in current year now. It should be included in current year. Therefore, it will be added in the rent. So add in rent and record on the liability side. So this 50 rupees we will add to the rent. Adding outstanding rent. So that will be made inside this column. 450 plus 50. Now in the outer column you will write down the final amount, that is 500. So this is the final amount. So now we have recorded each and every item including the adjustments. So it's time to find out the net profit or net loss. So the total is 1090 of the credit side and the total of debit side is maybe 800 plus 500 plus 90. Let me do that. Just a second. Yeah. $800 plus 500 plus 190 plus 1590 plus 500. The total of debit side is 3580. It is 3580 and the total of credit side is 1090. So the loss is, the debit side is more than the credit side. So the balancing figure is net loss instead of net profit. And the amount is 2490 rupees. So very well done guys. Many of you have already answered this before and your answer was absolutely correct. Well done Rajiv, Ranjani, Casey, well done. You have answered it correct. So congratulations to you. So here you guys can see the answer. This is your answer guys. In this there is some error with this amount of repairs. It is 190 but the solution is correct. So is this question clear to everyone? यस प्रिया, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एक्सपेंसेस डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं, तो वो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में आते हैं. And if it is clear to everyone, then please do like the video, guys. अगर सब कुछ समझ आ रहा है तो थोड़ा सा वीडियो को लाइक कर दो. So, here we can see the answers, and well done. We have got all the correct answers. Net loss 2490, net loss 2490, net loss 2490. So well done, Raj Lakshmi, Lovely, and Manas. Congratulations, everyone. Great job, guys. Shabash, मेरे बच्चों. आपने पूरा कर दिया. रे वाह, बैलेंस शीट भी बना ली. So, now coming on to today's lecture, balance sheet. ये बैलेंस शीट क्या है? तो चलिए सीखते हैं कि बैलेंस शीट क्या है. अभी तक नाम सुनते आ रहे थे, बैलेंस शीट बैलेंस शीट, तो आज इसके बारे में जान भी लेते हैं. So let's begin this session now without any delay. And first we'll start with the meaning of balance sheet. हमने तो पूरा कर. ओके, आप लाइक की बात कर रहे थे, मुझे लगा क्वेश्चन की बात कर रहे हो. So, what is balance sheet now? As I told you, assets and liabilities are recorded in balance sheet. So, what is balance sheet? It is a statement which records, which states the assets and liabilities of a firm as at a certain date. एक डेट पे कितने एसेट्स हैं आपके पास, कितनी लाइबिलिटीज है आपके पास, उसकी एक स्टेटमेंट बनाई जाती है. You will make a statement in which you will record all the assets, whether they are current assets or non-current assets, and you will record all the liabilities, whether non-current or current. So, this statement of asset and liability is known as balance sheet. जहां पे आप एसेट्स एंड लाइबिलिटीज रिकॉर्ड करते हो, उसी को क्या कहा जाता है? बैलेंस शीट. नाउ as balance sheet is a statement and not an account. It is a statement, it is not a ledger account. तो अगर ये लेजर अकाउंट नहीं है तो यहाँ पर डेबिट और क्रेडिट साइड भी नहीं होगी. इन बैलेंस शीट देयर इज नो डेबिट साइड and no credit side. So in balance sheet, we always say right hand side and left hand side. Don't say that this is debit and this is credit, because that will be wrong. So in the balance sheet, assets are recorded on the right hand side and the liabilities including capital is recorded on the left hand side. Assets on the right hand side, liabilities and capital on the left hand side. Let me show you the format, guys. So, here we have the format of balance sheet. You can see on the right hand side, we have recorded all the assets. Whether it is fixed asset, non-current asset or current asset. सारे के सारे asset जो भी आपके पास है, वो सब राइट हैंड साइड रिकॉर्ड कर देना. And all the liabilities including the capital will be recorded on the left hand side. So we will record all the liabilities, debentures, creditor, bank overdraft, bill payable, everything, every liability will be recorded on the left hand side. So this was simple. Assets on the right hand side, liabilities on the left hand side. Now something which is very important in the balance sheet is calculation of capital. How will you calculate capital? So please pay attention now. First you will write down capital. पहले आप सबसे पहले capital लिखोगे, उसके बाद if it is net profit, so net profit will be added. Net profit will be added. But if it is net loss, then it will be subtracted. तो अगर नेट प्रॉफिट है तो उसको ऐड कर देना, लेकिन अगर नेट लॉस है तो उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना. Then we have drawings. Drawings will be subtracted. Drawings will be subtracted because as you are withdrawing money, आपकी कैपिटल क्या होती है, कम कर होती है. Drawings are subtracted, and after adding and subtracting these items, you will get your final capital, the closing capital. So capital, add profit, minus loss, minus drawings. So this is the balance sheet. Now after preparing it, we will do the total of liability and total of assets. Very important again, do the total of right hand side and the total of left hand side, total of assets and total of liability, and that should be equal. Total of assets should be equal to the total of liability. It should match. In case it is not same, it is not matching, it means you have made some mistake. अगर मैच नहीं हो रहा, इक्वल नहीं है, इसका मतलब आपने जरूर कोई ना कोई गलती तो करी है. So this is how the balance sheet is prepared. Is this clear, guys? What is balance sheet and how is it prepared? Hi Ankita, hi Varsha. How are you guys? Girls? Clear, Shravya? Hi Rahul, how are you? Okay, so now if you guys want to solve questions of this topic with me, if you want to learn more about with me, then you can join my special accountancy course in which I will be teaching you the entire syllabus of term 2 again. So in this crash course, we will be revising all the chapters again in brief, including the assignments, practice papers, everything. Now you must be thinking why we should join this course when we are having YouTube classes. So in this crash course, you will be getting live classes like the YouTube one, as right now we are having a live session. So in the crash course also, we will be having the live interactive classes. And we will record those classes also for your future reference. In future, if you have any doubt, you can see these recorded classes, and after that your doubts will be solved. And after every class, you will be getting notes also. After every session, you will get a PDF, you will get the notes on our website for the session so that you can revise it using the notes also. And last but not the least, in this crash course, you can also ask your doubts on your mobile app. So yes, you can download our Vedantu's mobile application where you can just upload a picture of your doubts and you can download a mobile app. So these all benefits are available in only and only 1350 rupees. So what you guys are waiting for? Do enroll it for now. And how you can enroll for it? So let me explain you now. Let me show you now. So what you have to do is you have to visit our description box. This is your class going on. Below the session, you will find this description box. And in this description box, you will see the emoji of the hand. ये हाथ का emoji है ना, यहाँ पर आपको link मिलेगा special accountancy course for class 11. Hi Krish, hi Shaurya, very good evening. So you have to click on the link, and when you click on the link you come to our website. जैसे आप website पे आओगे, you have to scroll down. So scroll down, and here you can see you have to choose your plan. You have to make a choice that you want Pro Light or you want Pro Classic. Now, अब आप बोलोगे मैम दोनों में फर्क क्या है? What's the difference between these two? तो in Pro Light you can ask doubt during class. आप क्लास में डाउट्स पूछ सकते हो. बट अगर आपको मोबाइल ऐप पे डाउट्स पूछने हैं, इफ यू वांट टू आस्क डाउट ऑन मोबाइल ऐप, then for that you have to take Pro Classic, because this is not available in Pro Lite. It is only available in Pro Classic. So this is the major difference, and it is available for only 1350 rupees, as I told you. So in 1350 rupees, you are getting the entire syllabus of term 2 with many other benefits. You are getting notes after every session, assignment, test series, doubt solving, everything is included. All the best, Shaurya. Okay, now let's come to the main practical part. So now we will be solving practical questions of balance sheet. So let's do it now, and I want everyone to please focus in the session now. बहुत बातें कर ली, चलो पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं. And here we have it. तो यहाँ पे बोला गया है, from the following particulars, prepare balance sheet as at 31st March 2014. हमें बनानी है बैलेंस शीट. तो चलिए लग जाते हैं काम पे. Start preparing the format. On the left hand side, liabilities. On the right hand side, assets. So liabilities amount, assets amount. First we have is capital. Capital is recorded on the liability side. Capital is 40,000. Then we have net profit 1660 rupees. Net profit को कर देंगे add 1660 rupees. It will be 41,660. Then we have drawings 4,400. Drawings are subtracted. We'll subtract 4,400. So answer will be 37,260. This is your answer. Now we'll record the other items. Debtor assets debit 6,400. Debtor are assets 6,400. Creditors liability 4,200. So creditors on the liability side 4,200. Cash in hand. Cash in hand asset. Cash asset होता है. So cash in hand 360. Then we have cash at bank. Again cash at bank is asset. So cash at bank 7,200 rupees. Then plant is asset. Furniture is asset. Record on the asset side. Plant 10,000. Furniture 3,700. Then pay attention. Next we have is general reserve. General reserve is a liability. Reserves are a kind of liability. So general reserve, record on the liability side 1,000 rupees. And then we have is closing stock. Stock is your asset. So closing stock on the asset side 14,800 rupees. So we have recorded all the items. on the asset side, on the liability side, on whichever side they have to be recorded. Now you will do the total. अब आप करोगे total. So total will be 37 plus 5, 42. 42,460 maybe. So there we have your balance sheet, and yes, the total is 42,460 and the total is same. So it means yes, the answer is absolutely correct because the total is matching. So this is a proof of accuracy. So this is your answer. Now please tell me, is this clear to everyone how to make a balance sheet? Yes or no? Ronak sir, please block this Darshan Amruskar. He is not interested in the session. Bye Darshan. Clear Jishnu? Okay. What about others? Clear or not, guys? Clear, Toshika? Okay. Okay, now the next question is for you. You have to solve it right now. And I want to see that how much of you is able to find the total. You have to find out the total of assets and the total of liability. Let's see how many of you are having the proper knowledge. Till then, I am only preparing the formats. So you have 2 minutes. Right now it is 9:43. I'll wait till 9:45. One minute left, guys. Okay, how many of you are solving it? Raise your hands. Array, please answer. I am waiting. It means I have to solve it now because I have got no answers. Okay, Jishnu is solving. Only Jishnu is solving, or there is someone else also? So I am starting it. First item that we have is goodwill. Now, goodwill is the name, is the reputation of the business, which is an asset. So, goodwill is an asset record on the debit side, 20,000. Hi, Amrita. Then, second item we have is capital. So, we are recording capital, but we will record it in the inner column because we have to add net profit, we have to subtract the drawings also. Then we have third item, liability for expenses. It is clearly mentioned. It is liability. So recorded on the liability side, 1200. Then cash in hand, fourth item, it is your asset. Cash in hand, record on the asset side, 1000 rupees. Then investment, fifth item, investments are also assets. So assets will be recorded on the asset side. Then bills payable. Bills payable is liability. It will be recorded on the liability side, 10,700. Then net profit. Net profit is added to the capital. 92,600 you will add it in the capital. Then we have debtors. Debtors are assets. Assets will be recorded on the asset, Debtors will be recorded on the asset side. Debtors 50,000 we have recorded it on the asset side. Then we have land and building, again an asset. It will be recorded on the asset side, land and building 60,000. Then the 10th item we have is bank. Bank is also your asset. So 20,000. Then we have creditors. Creditors are liabilities. So creditors 63,000. Then bill receivable. Bill payable is liability, but bill receivable is an asset. So we are recording BR on the asset side, 13,000. Plant and machinery. Plant and machinery is an asset, 40,000. Then we have provision for doubtful debt. Now, provision for doubtful debt is subtracted from the debtors. So, what we will do, please pay attention. Debtors were 50,000. Debtors were 50,000. We will write it like capital in the inside column. Debtors को अंदर लिखेंगे and then we will subtract this provision 2,500. So subtracting provision for doubtful debt, write it completely and then subtract 2,500. So you will write the final amount in the outer column, 47,000 to, it will be 47,500. Now I was about to write something wrong. 47,500, this is your gross net debtors. So these are the debtors after subtracting the provision. Then we have closing stock. Stock is an asset, record on the asset side, 80,000. Then we have furniture. Furniture is also asset. So furniture 16,000. And then we have drawings. Drawings are subtracted from capital. So subtract drawings, how much? 30,000. So in capital, we are adding the net profit and we are subtracting drawings. So 1,80,000 plus 92,600 minus 30,000, it will be 2,42,600. Then in capital, you will add other liabilities to find the total. Add 1200, add 10,700, add 63,000. It is 3,17,500. So total of liability side is 3,17,500. Did I made a mistake? Akash, your total is different. Mine is different. Akash, there is some error. Total, I have cross-checked it. It will be 3,17,500. Now, similarly, you will do the total of the asset side, and the total should be equal. So, yes, the total is equal. 3,17,500, 3,17,500. This is the total which is equal, and this proves that the answered balance sheet is correct. माधुरी मौर्य, अगर आपको अच्छे मार्क्स लाने हैं 90 से ज्यादा, 95, 97, तो यस, एक एक क्वेश्चन करना, सारे क्वेश्चन करना जरूरी होता है. अगर आप 60, 70 मार्क्स लाके खुश हो सकते हो तो सारे क्वेश्चंस मत करो, बट इफ यू वांट टू स्कोर 95 और मोर देन 95, देन यस, आपको सारे क्वेश्चंस करने पड़ेंगे. So is this question clear to everyone? समझ आया? हाँ या ना? Clear? Vishnu? Yes, Nandini? आ गया? Okay. All the best, Ishika. I hope you are, I know that you are going to rock it. Not hope. I know that you will be rocking it definitely. आंसर मैच नहीं किया तो गलती ढूंढो. आपने कोई ना कोई गलती जरूर करी है, अमाउंट गलत लिखी है या कोई आइटम लिखना भूल गए हो. चेक इट. Now, let me introduce you to some special person. So here we have an awesome class teacher, subject teacher for accountancy. So here we have Neerav sir, guys. Neerav sir is teacher for accountancy. He has more than 8 years of teaching experience, and he had taught more than 8,000 students. Also, he got thousands of students successfully cleared CA Foundation exam. So this is about Neerav sir. Then we have another awesome super duper teacher for accountancy, Shri Raj sir. So Shri Raj sir is also a teacher for accountancy who has 11 years of teaching experience. And you won't believe that he had taught more than 10,000 students. Also, he held teacher training sessions for reputed institutions. So this is about Shri Raj sir. And with this, we have completed our today's session, the balance sheet. So that's all for today, guys. Now in next class, we will be starting our adjustments from the beginning, from the basics. So this is your homework now, and I request everyone to please try the homework because that is the main thing to do the practice. So in this, you have to prepare all the financial statements, trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet. सॉरी आकाश, आई डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया कि यूट्यूब पर अगली बार कौन पढ़ाएगा. सो वंस आई लीव यू विल बी कमिंग टू नो कि कौन पढ़ाने वाला है. So in next lecture, we will be learning about final accounts with adjustments. We will be learning all the adjustments starting from the next session. Yes, माधुरी, मैंने पहले ही बता दिया, पीछे वाली एक्सरसाइज का हर एक क्वेश्चन करना जरूरी है अगर आपको अच्छे नंबर लाने हैं. अगर आप 60-70 नंबर लाके खुश हो तो आपको सारे क्वेश्चन करने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन अगर आपको 95, 90 से ऊपर मार्क्स लाने हैं तो पीछे का हर एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना जरूरी होता है. Hi, Karishmi. I will also miss you, and I'll miss you more than you guys because you will be having other teachers. You will be busy, but for some time I will be idle. तो मैं खाली बैठ के और क्या करूँगी? आप लोगों को याद करूँगी. So आप लोगों को हिचकियाँ आएंगी. Okay. Now we will be continuing this chapter on Thursday at 7 p.m. So stay tuned for my next lecture on Thursday, guys. And if you guys are tensed about anything, अगर आप किसी भी चीज को लेके tensed हो, syllabus, practical question, doubt solving, anything is bothering you, then we have a solution for that, which is Accountancy Crash Course. So this special accountancy crash course is definitely going to help you out with revision. So if you are looking for a good revision plan, then this is the right revision plan for you. And this is only available for 1350 rupees. And you will also get extra 10% discount if you will use my code SCPRO. So come on, use our code to get extra 10% discount on all our courses. And if you guys are new to our channel or if you want more such live classes with me, then please do join our channel, do subscribe it, and do like and do share the video. Now, we'll see you all in the next class. And yes, if you have not joined the Telegram group yet, then do join us on Telegram so that you can get all the information on time. Now, we'll see you all in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself, guys. So, good night, have sweet dreams, and take care. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this session. You're welcome, Raj Lakshmi. आप कहीं तो जाओगे, हम वहां आ जाएंगे. Okay, we'll wait for you. So bye everyone. Good night. Komal, now it's time to say bye.